So what's the second reason why Instagram is such a good social media platform for athletes who want to become influencers and entrepreneurs? Check out this video to find out. So what's the second reason why Instagram is such a good platform for athletes that want to become influencers? The second reason why Instagram is so good for athletes that want to become influencers is that story mode allows you to sell and bring them off the platform. They actually have a built-in affiliate marketing system that allows you to affiliate for other products. And it actually makes it really, really easy, and they are encouraging you to be an influencer. This allows you to direct people to products and to services that you use to show them that, hey, it works for me, it'll probably work for you, go ahead and check it out. And the story mode is really amazing for this. It requires getting 10,000 followers, which can take some time. Definitely check out some of my other videos on how to grow your Instagram fast. But once you get to that point, the story mode allows you to swipe up to a link. And the other way that you can do this when you're not at 10,000 followers is you can go in on your story, tell people to go to the link in your bio, and then they'll go to your bio and click the link. It's a little bit more complicated of a call to action, so you're not always going to get as high of a conversion on that. But the thing about it is story mode is amazing. You get, like I said in the previous video, we have been conditioned by reality television to want to see what the intimate view of other people's lives are. We're curious about that. Innately, as humans, we want to know what it's like to be in other people's shoes. And that's what social media is all about, is figuring out what it looks like from other people's point of view. So the story mode gives you this intimate view into people's lives, and you can give people an intimate view into your life and tell them, get them to know you, like you, and trust you really intimately, because they get a direct view into the rougher versions of your life. Just like this is shot on a cell phone, it's a little bit more intimate, and you guys get to know a little bit more about me. As we progress on this channel, I'm going to be getting into shooting on different cameras and trying to test out different products to allow you guys to be able to use the best products. We're going to go through some DSLRs, and we're going to go through some other, some different phone cameras, and then we're also going to go through some stabilized cameras, as well as some other things. So really excited about that. Off on a tangent, story mode is amazing. Story mode is the second reason why Instagram is such an amazing platform for athletes that want to become influencers and entrepreneurs. Which brings us to the tip of the day. Instead of the question of the day, the tip of the day. 70 seconds or more in your story is gonna help Instagram value your account. So keep running stories, give people an intimate view into your life, get them to know you, get them to like you, get them to trust you, and direct them to products that you are actually using, and you'll make some money. So that's our tip of the day. If you guys have any other tips of the day, please drop it in the comments. I always love reading what you guys have to say about what's going on in the Instagram world or the social media world. So don't forget, the best education is going to come from you guys, the Athletic Stance community. Check out the comments below. As always, if you liked this content, don't hesitate to subscribe. If you want to see the reason number 3 why Instagram is such a good platform for athletes that want to become influencers or entrepreneurs, check out this video right here. And if you want to check out more content like this, check out this video right here. As always, the Athletic Stance is bringing you the best tips and tools for branding, marketing, and self-promotion as an athlete that wants to become an influencer in the online space. Thank you so much for using your voice for good and impacting the global community.